cooking is Ayamatse, which is Ofada sauce. For now, I'm prepping the meat by frying it. Different type of meat, assorted. Putting my Ayamatse pepper. Then now I'm going to season. But I will lightly season because I still have my stock meat to use. So because the stock meat is also seasoned, which will add more taste to it. So here I am. I'll fry the pepper, fry it well, then begin to add every other ingredient to it. The aroma coming out of this is lovely. So now I'm going to add some locust beans, which the Yorubas call iru, but it's called locust beans. This to actually give it more flavor. Like the aroma is heavenly, 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 heavenly. So I'm adding some dry fish to it. Like I just like to have a twist to whatever I'm cooking. I don't use the norm. I don't know if they add fish to Ayamatse, but I am adding to mine. So now I'm going to be introducing all the fried meats, the ones you saw me do earlier on. So I'm going to add all that to this wonderful pot of Ayamatse. It's almost done. It's almost done. It's almost done. I think the only thing left is just the meat stock, and that's if I feel like, because this is already like said. Oh God. Oh, I wish you can actually perceive the aroma from here. Like this is just a sweet pot of goodness. Like seriously, seriously. Hey, lazy weekend, made in China weekend. This is what I decided to make this weekend. Ayamatse. And one more item. So here's the final item that's supposed to enter into this Ayamatse pot, which is the eggs. So I don't think I'm going to be adding the chicken stock because, like, seriously, it's not needed with the way this thing is. Adding stock to it, we'll be making it to graduate from Stanford. So this is the final stage, what I'm supposed to add. Then I'm just going to cover it for it to simmer for just for a few minutes, and my Ayamatse is ready. Unfortunately, I don't even have Ofada rice in the house, but I will just make do with my bulgur or regular rice. So see you. Thinking I'm not the one cooking, that's a lie. I'm the one making this Ayamatse for my house. It's like I said, it's a made in China weekend, so I decided to make Ofada sauce. My bubbling pot of goodness is ready. My Ayamatse is ready. And thank you for staying with me throughout this cooking process. Well, you can eat from your screen.